holder, and this is new good news from all of Cardano holders. Yes, I have very special and good news for Cardano holder. So I explain you in this video, but I'm telling you in this video. But first of all, I start you a price prediction of this Cardano coin. But before I get started this price prediction, I request you, my brother, to please, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel, click the red button and select the all option notification, press bell icon also, okay? And don't forget to like this video if you enjoy this video. So please like, subscribe and share this video. If you can see here the Cardano live price prediction, this time the reading as an positive. So this is good. The last 24-hour result as positive 2.51%. They're going up. So congratulations, Cardano holder. Cardano is moving up like a rocket, and last 24-hour result. This is very small change, but this is definitely good because our crypto markets totally lost in the previous days. So this is good for Cardano holder to they also jump in those days. So you can see here the latest price as 1.31 US dollar, and I think before 3 days before, I think the price is 1.27 US dollar something. Yes, 27 to they convert 27 to 31 US dollar, 1.31 US dollar. So this is good news for Cardano holder. Cardano holder, this is one big question people ask me in a comment box and some are Instagram to what we do if Cardano is starting and losing, if Cardano result has gone down, what we do in this time. Then this is absolutely definitely very good question, and this is very important. Guys, if you are in losing, you can see I gonna show you practical. You can see here on the chart result, if you are losing, you can see here this time they take a very badly dump. This time they gone down. You can see here this time also they gone down. This time also they gone down. So if you are losing and like this, you can see here, so definitely you sell at this time. You can see here this time, if you sell it at this point, then absolutely this is good point to you sell it. But if you sell it at this point, this is very bad. If you sell at this point, they give you 1.27 US dollar. You can see here this time, if you sell it this time, they give you 1.27. but if you sell it this time, you can see here this is very high jump, they give you 1.34 US dollar. So definitely this is very different at price. So if you sell at this point, you can see here when they're starting dumping, then you decide to sell it urgently. Otherwise, if you are late, then don't sell it and wait for a good time to they again starting jumping. You can see here they again starting jumping like this. You can see here after dump they mostly gone off, they're gone off. So a lot of people do what to say to buy it this time. Absolutely definitely this is good time to you buy it. So this is good time when they're gone down. So please, if they're starting going down, then definitely you sell it urgently. Otherwise, if you are late, then don't sell it. Okay guys, so hope you understand this with what I tell you. Okay, please understand it, and if you not understand, then please tell me. I personally explain you on Instagram. Okay, follow me on Instagram, link as on the channel. Okay, so this time you can see here the return of last 24 hour as 2.51%. This is absolutely good. And the last 1 hour, you can see here this time the last 1 hour is absolutely definitely very good, 6.632.25% going up. So congratulations, my brother. And the last 24 hour also they gone up. So good result, and wait for and good changes. And the price also, you can see here the last 24 before last 24 hour 1.26 US dollar is the price, but after 24 hour the price changed and to 1.35 US dollar. So my opinion is that to please don't sell it, hold it and wait for the good time and sell it. So guys, the good news is that I do a giveaway of Cardano coin to 5,000 Cardano coins giveaway is coming soon, but when you complete my 10,000 subscribers. So please hope you just do it, subscribe our YouTube channel, and I also updating you every good news or bad news, and absolutely the giveaway is coming soon. So just fastly complete it to I do a special giveaway. Okay, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.